Hi guys, I'm Amy, but my former students call me Miss A. Teacher na on, cabin crew na ngayon. Welcome aboard and welcome to my world. And as you can see, I'm showing my smile or my teeth. And as a cabin crew member, welcoming passengers with a smile is part of our daily routine. But for the longest time, honestly, my smile was also one of my biggest insecurities. After years of hiding my teeth, enhancing in different photoshops, and of course feeling self-conscious whenever I smile, I finally decided to do something about it. So, in today's vlog, I'll be taking you along in my veneers journey from consultation to transformation. So, welcome aboard once again and welcome to my world. So, as you can see, we finally reached Prestige Smile Clinic located here in Sharjah. And this time, I'm explaining na hopefully makabit today. I don't know, wala kasi akong idea kung paano yung magiging process ng sa veneers. But I'm pretty sure today is my consultation. So, super happy ako kasi napansin ko agad na may mga staff na kabayan. And I was like, buti na lang kasi pagod na ako mag-English. And nilinaw ko talaga kay Miss April na I don't want my natural original teeth to be shaved. Ayoko maging baby shark ako. And they also offer free coffee. All the staff were so helpful, friendly, and very accommodating throughout the consultation. So these are the shades of the veneers, and today, susukatan lang tayo and pipili lang ng shade na babagay sa akin. And I need to go back after 2 to 3 days, sana, but because of my roster, sa 27 pa tayo babalik right after my flight. I'm so excited to have my new smile and even more excited to share the entire journey and the final result with you. So stay tuned and welcome to this smile transformation journey with me. Now I'm heading home after a productive day with a beautiful sunset to end it. From here, going to Al Mamsha where I live is more like 30 minutes. In this part of the video, I was explaining na hindi ako nag-retouch after ng consultation natin. So, tested and proven that our lipstick is semi-smudge proof dahil, of course, meron pa rin siyang smudge sa gloves ng dentist natin. But totally okay siya. Nagtagal pa rin siya. So, dito napapaisip ako kung tama ba desisyon ko sa buhay. Kasi super expensive siya sa totoo lang. Pero I know everything will be worth it. So I'm finally home now and getting ready for a quick walk. Hindi talaga ako physically active before, but because of this job, na-realize ko na health is wealth talaga. And as a cabin crew, our bodies go through a lot during flights, little sleep, and different time zones. Kaya ngayon, kahit simpleng walk lang, I try to move more and take better care of myself. Kasi sino pa nga bang gagawa nun, di ba? So yeah, that's it for today's veneers journey.